Good morning, good morning. I got up a little while ago. Royalty has her little friend over here. I just made them some breakfast. It is now about 10 something in the morning. So now we're about to go to the park. Then I'm gonna take them to get some pizza. Then I'm gonna stop at Trader Joe's and get some, what is that? Get some chopped meat. And yeah, because I'm making spaghetti. And that's gonna be that. And yeah, so I'm about to take them to the park and go sit down and relax. Oh gosh, after going to Connecticut and going to being at the park over there, I don't even want to go to no city park now. God, that's the thing. Like when you're exposed to something else, something better, you start to reject a little bit what's around you because you're like, oh, there's better than this. Yeah, there is. So, yeah. So let me go get ready. I took my braids out and the clip-ins out so my hair could breathe a little bit. But, yeah, so let's get ready. So we just reached the park. It is about, I'm gonna say maybe 10:30ish now in the morning. So I figured they could play for like 2 hours and then go get some pizza. Yeah, I would show y'all them, but there's other little kids in here and I want to be appropriate and respectful. So, and y'all washing up, taking a shower, right? And look, I've been scrubbing this. It ain't come off yet. I guess it'll just fade on its own. It is hot. I'm just trying to sit here and relax a little bit. And yeah. That's it. Now she coming. Now she coming. What are y'all contemplating? Oh, I guess they doing any, many, miny, mo. Go Jazz. Go Jazz. You know why that is? Because y'all bust got wet. Go Royalty. Go Royalty. Go Royalty. Hold your legs together. Why you got them like that? Come on. You going again? They're done at the park. Now we are going to get some pizza. Keep going. Keep going. We have the light. It says walk. Go. You don't gotta run. Yeah, so here we go.
Like cheese and you pull it.
Yeah, pizza, boo boo.
Huh? What did I do?
Eat.
Nom, 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 nom.
I haven't had a root beer in a while. If I ain't got me one.
I want to eat Roblox pizza.
Root beer, not alcohol.
Does root beer have, is it bad? Can I try?
You can try.